off from social media. I was on vacation, so I took about a week, almost 2 weeks off. And honestly, it feels really nice to just take a break from social media and everything. So it was nice. But I'm here and I'm ready to create some more content in case any of you guys even care. If not, it's cool. I'm still gonna be posting. But yeah, I just got to the gym. Yeah, I feel like today I'm gonna struggle just because I took almost 2 weeks off from the gym. So I'm really hoping it's a good workout. So we'll fucking see. I honestly cannot believe how fast the time is going. And summer is literally summer is literally around the fucking corner. And yeah, I'm trying to lose some fucking weight, but fuck, it's hard. I love to eat. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say hi and hope everyone's doing great. I'm back, so I'll be filming some new content soon. And yeah, I hope you guys all have a great day, a great fucking week. Keep a lookout for my burping ones for all of you who have been requesting and have missed my burping content. Thank you. There's more coming. So anyways, oh my gosh. But yeah, I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys soon. Wish me luck on my workout.